What is realism? Realism in philosophy refers to the view that the reality of any material objects exists in the external world independently of the human mind. Put differently, realism holds that what one perceives is real and is out there existing in concrete reality. For example, the maple tree that I see with my naked eyes is existing in concrete reality and is not just an abstract concept produced by the mind as the idealists would have us believe. Hence, the fact that the maple tree exists in the external world and has properties of its own, such as hardness and thickness, that maple tree is independent of anyone's perception. It is therefore real. Contrary to nominalism, which holds that universals do not exist independently from particulars, realism holds that both universals and particulars exist independently from each other. On the one hand, in metaphysics, the term particulars refers to the concrete spatiotemporal entities or objects, such as a tree or a book. Oftentimes, the term individuals is used interchangeably with particulars. And one of the most distinctive characteristics of particulars is that they cannot be in more than one place at the same time. For example, if a specific maple tree is existing in a specific time and place, it cannot be in another time and place at the same time. On the other hand, the term universals refers to the properties or characteristics possessed by a particular concrete spatiotemporal object, such as color or hardness. For example, the whiteness of a book can also be instantiated in the whiteness of a dress or a paper. Scholars in philosophy believe that it was Aristotle who first popularized realism when he opposed Plato's idealism and argued that the real exists in the sensible world, which can be known through experience. As we can see, it was Aristotle who provided the fundamental structure and development of realism and its penetration in other disciplines, such as in arts and politics.